You must have seen this type of Stickman video, and you will be surprised to know that by making this type of video, this channel has earned $34,000 plus till now. There are only a couple of other channels making videos like this, which means it's clear that the competition in this niche is still very low and the growth potential is quite high. If you think that making this type of video would be very complicated, then you are wrong, because it just uses such stock images along with the voice, which makes the video very interesting to watch. And this type of video falls under the educational category, so its demand is never going to end, or you will never run out of video ideas. And in this video, I will teach you how to make an exact same video, complete step by step. The video is going to be very interesting, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So without wasting any time, let's go to the video. So now, to make this type of video, first of all, you will need a master prompt, which you will get in the description of this video. If you're thinking this prompt will only work once, so it is not so. You can use this prompt every time, and it is very easy. You will see further, and you will understand everything. Now, here in the prompt, the duration is given as 59 seconds, which you can change like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you want. Write it here according to yourself. And in this line, you will also get the option to write the topic, in which you just have to write your topic. Now here, if you have already any topic in your mind, then you can write it directly. But if you don't have a best topic, you can take help from ChatGPT. Simple, come to ChatGPT and write, create a short topic for motivational or physiological video. Now, ChatGPT will provide you few topics, and you can simply select the one you like. In case you don't like any of these topics, simply write more here, and it will provide you with more topics. And you can see here how amazing the topics given by ChatGPT. Now, as I take up topic number 7 here, now we have to come back and copy this prompt, and then come back to ChatGPT and paste it here. Now, as I told you, here you have to write your video duration, and here you just have to write the topic. So, simply copy your topic and paste it here, and then send it. ChatGPT will first write the video script. Then, in part 2, it will write the prompt for all the images, and in part 3, it will write the prompt for converting all the images to video. Now we're going to use Google Gemini to creating the images, as it's the best and free AI tool right now. So, first, we'll copy the image prompt for scene 1, then we'll go to Gemini, paste it here, and simply write 16 to 9 at the end. Now, if you want to make a short form content, you can keep it at 9 to 16. Then we'll simply send it. Gemini will generated the image in just a few seconds, and you can see how amazing the quality of these images. Now, in this way, we will copy all the scenes one by one and generate the images from here. Now, after all the images are generated, download it from here. Now we'll use VO3 to convert all the images into video. For this, we'll go to Flow AI, and you'll see an interface like this. Simply click on New Project, then click here and put it in video. Then set your aspect ratio to 16 to 9, make it single one, and set the model to VEO3 fast. Then upload your first image here, return to ChatGPT, copy scene 1 of the video prompt, return to Flow AI, paste it here, and then click the Generate. Gemini will converted the video in just a few seconds. And you can see that the video quality is exactly what we wanted. Now, to download it, click Download here and upscale it to 1080p. Similarly, we will convert all the images into video one by one using the same process. Now we have the visual already. Now we need to generate the final voice, for which we will simply use 11 Lab. Now we'll copy the voiceovers for all the scenes in the ChatGPT, which I've already done here. After copying it completely, we'll simply go to 11 Lab, then click on Text to Speech. Now here you'll also have the option to choose your voice model. You can see these and select the voice model that you like best. Now I'll select it. Then I'll paste my script here and simply click the Generate. Once the voice is generated, now I'll download it from here. Now for final editing, we can use any app or software where we simply match all the clips with the voice. Then you can see our final result, something like this.
What if I told you you can reprogram your mind in just 60 seconds? Your brain runs on patterns, and most of them are negative. But here's the trick. Interrupt the pattern instantly. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and say one powerful thought. Something like, I'm in control of my mind. Repeat this daily and watch your brain start working for you.
If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.